Imagine building your dream home with a massive wraparound porch, covered outdoor kitchen, and patio space for just a few $1,000s extra. Sounds impossible? I'm about to show you 7 stunning 2026 Barndominium designs where outdoor living spaces cost less than a used car, but add tens of thousands in value and lifestyle benefits. And if you stick around until the end, I'll reveal a certified builder who specializes in these integrated outdoor living barndominiums and can make this dream a reality for you. Let's dive in. Before we get into these incredible designs, do me a quick favor. Smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos on affordable housing solutions. And drop a comment below telling me which outdoor feature you want most. Wraparound porch, outdoor kitchen, or covered patio. Now let's talk about how you can build outdoor luxury on a budget. Why 2026 is the year for outdoor living barndominiums. In 2026, the barndominium movement has evolved beyond just affordable housing. People aren't just building homes anymore. They're creating lifestyle spaces where indoor and outdoor living blend seamlessly. The beautiful part is that adding outdoor living to a barndominium costs a fraction of what it would on a traditional home. Here's why 2026 is the perfect time for this. Construction costs have stabilized. Outdoor living became a priority after recent years of staying home, and builders have mastered cost-effective techniques for integrating these spaces. According to current market data, barndominium costs range from $95 to $145 per square foot for standard finishes, but outdoor spaces cost only $20 to $40 per square foot. That's where the magic happens. Design 1. The classic wraparound porch barndo. Let's start with the most popular design, the wraparound porch barndominium. This design features a continuous covered porch that wraps around 2 or 3 sides of your home, typically spanning 400 to 800 square feet of outdoor space. The cost breakdown is honest and straightforward. Covered porch space runs $30 to $40 per square foot, which is about 30 to 40% the cost of heated indoor space. For a 600 square foot wraparound porch, you're looking at $18,000 to $24,000 total. Compare that to adding 600 square feet of interior living space at $120 per square foot, which would cost $72,000. You're saving $48,000 to $54,000 while actually adding more usable space. This design works beautifully on a 40 by 60 barndominium. The main structure gives you 2,400 square feet of living space, and the wraparound porch adds another 600 square feet of covered outdoor area. Total cost for a mid-range build runs $156,000 to $240,000 for the main structure, plus $18,000 to $24,000 for the porch, bringing your total to $174,000 to $264,000. You're getting 3,000 total square feet of usable space for what others pay for 2,000 square feet of traditional home. The wraparound porch offers incredible versatility. You can set up different zones like morning coffee area facing east for sunrise, evening relaxation space facing west for sunset, and dining area with views of your property. Add some rocking chairs, ceiling fans, and outdoor lighting, and you've created magazine-worthy outdoor living for the cost of a decent pickup truck. Design 2. The outdoor kitchen barndo. Now let's talk about the outdoor kitchen barndominium. This design integrates a fully functional outdoor cooking and entertainment space directly into your barndominium structure. Here's the honest cost breakdown. A basic outdoor kitchen setup runs $3,000 to $8,000 and includes a built-in grill, countertop space, small sink, and storage cabinets. A premium outdoor kitchen costs $12,000 to $25,000 with high-end grill, multiple burners, refrigerator, sink with running water, stone countertops, and storage. The covered patio space to house this kitchen adds $20 to $35 per square foot for uncovered patios or $30 to $40 per square foot for covered. A realistic example would be a 30 by 50 barndominium with 1,500 square feet of living space and a 300 square foot covered patio with outdoor kitchen. Your main structure costs $142,500 to $217,500 at $95 to $145 per square foot. The 300 square foot covered patio adds $9,000 to $12,000. A mid-range outdoor kitchen adds $8,000 to $12,000. Your total additional cost for this outdoor living setup is $17,000 to $24,000. Think about that for a second. for roughly $20,000. You've added an entertainment space that would cost you $50,000 to $80,000 to build as an addition to a traditional home. Plus, you're extending your usable living area and creating the perfect space for family gatherings, weekend barbecues, and summer entertaining. Design 3. The Patio Extension Barndo. The Patio Extension Barndominium focuses on ground-level outdoor space that seamlessly connects to your main living area through large sliding glass doors or bifold doors. Cost breakdown is incredibly affordable. Concrete patios cost $4 to $12 per square foot installed. Stamped or stained concrete runs $8 to $18 per square foot for upgraded appearance. And pavers or natural stone cost $15 to $30 per square foot for premium look. Large sliding doors to connect indoor and outdoor space at $1,200 to $3,500 per door. Here's a real-world example. Build a 40 by 50 barndominium with 2,000 square feet of living space. Add a 400 square foot concrete patio at the back. Install bifold doors for seamless transition. Your main structure costs $190,000 to $290,000. The 400 square foot concrete patio costs $1,600 to $4,800 for basic, or $3,200 to $7,200 for stamped. Bifold door system adds $2,500 to $4,000. Total outdoor addition runs $4,100 to $11,200. $412,000. You've created an indoor-outdoor living experience that makes your home feel twice as large. This design is perfect for warm climates where you can use the patio year-round. Add some outdoor furniture, a fire pit, and string lights, and you've got an outdoor room that costs less than most people spend on interior furniture. Design 4. The Covered Deck Barndo. The Covered Deck Barndominium elevates outdoor living, literally. This design features a raised deck with roof coverage, creating a defined outdoor room with protection from sun and rain. Honest pricing for this design shows building a deck costs $25 to $50 per square foot, including labor and materials. Adding a roof structure over the deck adds $15 to $30 per square foot. Total covered deck cost runs $40 to $80 per square foot, which is still cheaper than interior living space. A practical example would be a 35 by 60 barndominium with 2,100 square feet and a 300 square foot covered deck off the main living area. Main structure costs $199,500 to $304,500. The 300 square foot covered deck adds $12,000 to $24,000. Total project runs $211,500 to $328,500 for 2,400 total square feet of usable space. The covered deck offers several advantages over ground-level patios. Better drainage, elevated views of your property, defined separation from yard maintenance, protection from moisture and pests, and a more finished appearance. Many people add outdoor ceiling fans, speakers, and even mounted TVs to create a true outdoor entertainment room. Design 5. The Screened Porch Barndo. The Screened Porch Barndominium solves one of the biggest outdoor living challenges: bugs. This design incorporates a large screened-in porch that lets you enjoy fresh air without the mosquitoes. Cost breakdown shows screening a porch adds $4 to $8 per square foot for materials and installation. Total screened porch cost runs $25 to $35 per square foot when combined with porch construction. This is still 30 to 40% cheaper than interior HVAC space. Real example shows a 40 by 60 barndominium with 2,000 square feet living space and 400 square foot screen porch. Main structure costs $190,000 to $290,000. The 400 square foot screen porch adds $10,000 to $14,000. Total runs $200,000 to $304,000. Screen porches are incredibly popular in humid climates or areas with lots of insects. You get fresh air, natural light, and outdoor ambience without being eaten alive. Many people use screen porches as their primary relaxation space from spring through fall, making it one of the most used areas of the home. Design 6. The Pergola Patio Barndo. The Pergola Patio Barndominium adds architectural interest and partial shade without the full cost of a covered structure. Pergolas create defined outdoor rooms with character and charm. Costs are very reasonable. Installing a pergola costs $2,000 to $6,000 for basic structures, or $8,000 to $15,000 for custom or large pergolas. Patio underneath adds $4 to $12 per square foot for concrete. Total pergola patio runs $3,500 to $10,000 for modest setups. Example build is a 30 by 40 Barndominium with 1,200 square feet and 300 square foot pergola patio. Main structure costs $114,000 to $174,000. Pergola patio adds $4,500 to $8,500. Total project runs $118,500 to $182,500. Pergolas offer flexibility you don't get with solid roofs. You can grow climbing plants for natural shade, add retractable canopy for weather protection, hang string lights or lanterns for ambience, and create intimate outdoor dining or seating areas. The open design keeps your home feeling airy while still defining outdoor space. Design 7. The multi-zone outdoor barndo. The ultimate design combines multiple outdoor living elements into one cohesive barndominium. This creates distinct outdoor zones for different activities and times of day. This design might include a front covered porch for morning coffee at 200 square feet, side patio with outdoor kitchen for entertaining at 300 square feet, and back covered deck for evening relaxation at 250 square feet. Total outdoor space is 750 square feet. Cost breakdown shows front covered porch at $6,000 to $8,000, side patio with outdoor kitchen at $12,000 to $20,000, and back covered deck at $10,000 to $20,000. Total outdoor additions run $28,000 to $48,000. Pair this with a 40 by 60 main structure at 2,400 square feet, costing $228,000 to $348,000. Your total project runs $256,000 to $396,000 for 3,150 total square feet of usable space. You're getting luxury resort-style outdoor living for less than the cost of a standard traditional home. The savings breakdown. Let me break down why these outdoor additions are such incredible value. Traditional homes cost $150 to $300 per square foot for interior space. Outdoor living additions to traditional homes cost $50 to $150 per square foot due to structural complexity. Barndominium outdoor spaces cost $20 to $80 per square foot due to simpler construction. You're saving 60 to 75% on outdoor living costs compared to traditional construction. For every 500 square feet of outdoor space you add, you're saving $15,000 to $60,000 compared to traditional methods. Plus, these outdoor spaces add serious value. Real estate appraisers typically value covered outdoor space at 50 to 75% of interior space value. Your $20,000 porch investment could add $30,000 to $45,000 in home value. That's instant equity and long-term appreciation. Why 2026 is the perfect time? Several factors make 2026 ideal for building. Steel prices have stabilized after years of volatility. Labor availability has improved in rural markets. Builders have refined techniques for efficient outdoor construction, and financing for barndominiums has become more accessible. Material costs are predictable. Construction timelines are faster at 5 to 9 months average, and builder experience with integrated outdoor designs has improved dramatically. Certified builder recommendation. Now for the information I promised. If you're serious about building a barndominium with integrated outdoor living, you need to work with experienced certified builders who specialize in these designs. I recommend reaching out to builders certified through the National Frame Building Association or Metal Building Manufacturers Association. These builders have proven track records, understand proper construction techniques, can provide accurate cost estimates, and have completed similar outdoor living projects. When selecting your builder, ask to see completed projects with outdoor living spaces, request references from recent clients, verify their licensing and insurance, and get detailed written estimates that break out outdoor costs separately. Building a 2026 barndominium with integrated outdoor living is one of the smartest housing decisions you can make. You're getting luxury lifestyle features for budget-friendly prices, creating usable space that extends your living area, adding significant home value for minimal investment, and building a home designed for modern indoor-outdoor living. Whether you choose a simple wraparound porch for $20,000 or go all out with multiple outdoor zones for $40,000, You're making an investment that traditional homeowners would spend $80,000 to $150,000 to achieve. Remember, outdoor living spaces cost $20 to $80 per square foot. They add 50 to 75% of their value in appraisals. Construction timelines are fast, and 2026 pricing is stable and predictable. If you're ready to start planning your Barndominium with integrated outdoor living, reach out to certified builders, get multiple quotes, visit completed projects if possible, and start designing your dream outdoor spaces. Don't forget to subscribe for more honest breakdowns on Barndominium costs and designs. Drop a comment telling me which design you'd build, and hit that like button if you found this valuable. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.